everyone, my name is Maria, I'm a novice artist and today we're gonna unbox this paint by numbers kit. Enjoy watching!
Okay, here we can see the box. I ordered it online, approximate cost is $12. This paint by numbers kit produced by Paintboy Original company, made in China. So here we open the box. Now we see the canvas with numbers on it. You can see my reflection. I'll be working on it on my technical equipment, I promise you. But where are paints and paintbrushes? Oh no, that's empty. Oh, everything's alright. Paints and paintbrushes was hidden in the back side. Okay, let's take a scissors to open the canvas carefully. Oops, I almost damaged this. So here we can see a sheet with numbers, paint, and paintbrushes, and the painting. We can see a lot of small details on the canvas. I'm sure it will be pretty hard to fill all of them with the paint, but we will try. And also, I'm not sure why they put the sketch in a box, so I just put it aside. Let's take a look at paints. Okay, open the package. Here we can see 29 colors in this kit. And you don't have to worry about mixing them. All paints are already made for you and for your DIY. Okay, open paintbrushes. Here we see 3 brushes. I guess that's enough. Let's take a look at the paintbrushes with no focus. So that's all, kit. Thank you for watching.
Thank you so much for watching my first video on this channel and subscribe on my Instagram, check the link below this video and I'll see you later. Bye!